everybody. So today it's round 2 of going to Taipei. We're trying again, but this time we have the correct documents.
我们有3个，第一个是 checklist， 第二个是 general， 对，第二个是 receipt， 第三个是我的护照。
对 yes, we've got your passport, the checklist, and the receipt.
没错。
And this is all we need, apparently.
没错。
So we're trying again. So here we go. So $2,000 or nearly $3,000 later, and we're on our way to the HSR station. Now we did do an introduction about 15 minutes ago.
啊，他把它删除了。
对 but
好聪明哦。
I deleted it whilst deleting the other travel off this little camera.
没关系。
We're packing lighter today. We're packing only just a little camera, a book, and a couple of stuff, and the stuff we need.
好啊，好兴奋哦。
Let's do this.
待会见。我们到了，耶耶
We did it.
我们成功了。
It's done.
我们完成了所有的流程，包含确认 to confirm 我的所有资料，还有我的指纹。哦，指纹很难呢 ，to give them my fingerprint 很难。
Was it?
Because the computer,
scanned it, right?
yeah, they didn't. The computer couldn't sense my fingerprint. I had to stand up and then push my finger down harder. So I did it like 5 times, 6 times, and she said that you are the first one that has to do this so many times. 我不知道。
奇怪的。
And then she gave me a tip. So she said you do this. Just rub your neck and then do it again, and then it worked.
It looks like our time scale is probably about April.
是 ，Yeah, that's
April, May time.
我们在那个表格上 on the form， 我们是说4月的时候，我们想要拿到这个visa，visa approval， 然后我们大概有可能4月到5月要回英国，然后拿我的 visa， 然后就住在那边了。
And now we're in Taipei, and we're gonna have a little walk around.
对，我们在那个台北101附近。
Yeah.
然后信义区，所以我们可能就是会在附近找找看有什么好玩的。我们上一次有看到 VR。
Yeah, we might go and play a VR game.
Test game， 对，我们可能会去玩那个，然后看看我们可以带你们去看什么好玩的地方。那先恭喜我们，恭喜，好棒哦！
So we are currently.
我们要玩 VR 游戏。
Yeah, we're gonna play a VR game at this place here, virtual reality, and we're actually gonna go play this game here, Zombie Jail.
然后他现在在测试 ，He's testing our room， 我们的游戏 our games。好。I'll go.
Oh.
What's that?
Okay, game over.
Okay, so we were just surrounded by zombies, and we had to shoot. It was quite, yeah, that was scary from the left
好
and
可
right.
怕，很多僵尸，很多的 蝙蝠，很多乌鸦。你说有乌鸦，但是 I didn't see any crows at all.
Yeah, there were. Yeah.
然后还有很多，还有有3个大魔王的 boss， 3个
Yeah.
他们好难哦，好难杀哦。
Really big ones were hard.
I like
It really is.
all arms are so tired. 但是 anyway 不错，如果你们有来台北的话，可以体验一下哦。我们要坐捷运回去台北车站了，我们要回家了。
对呀。
好棒！